Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have a truly captivating and bittersweet topic for you. We'll be exploring the incredible world of animals that once roamed our planet but have sadly disappeared. Join us as we dive into the fascinating stories of 6 unbelievable animals that went extinct. 1. The dodo bird. Our journey begins with the iconic dodo bird, native to the remote island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean. They were only seen on this island. The dodo was bigger than a turkey and weighed about 23 kilograms. These flightless birds thrived in the island's lush, dense forests. The tropical ecosystem provided them with fruits and seeds to feed on. However, their habitat's isolation made them vulnerable when humans arrived with invasive species such as rats and pigs. The dense forests, once their sanctuary, became a battleground for survival as these invasive species devoured dodo eggs and competed for resources. This, along with habitat destruction, ultimately led to the extinction of the dodo by the late 17th century. The dodo's unique island habitat became both its cradle and its grave. 2. The quagga. Now, we travel to South Africa, where the quagga, a unique subspecies of the plains zebra, once thrived in the vast grasslands. These rolling savannas provided ample grazing opportunities for the quagga's herbivorous diet. Like all zebras, quaggas were mammals that closely related to horses. Unlike all zebras, they had distinct stripes only on the head and the neck. Their habitat was an open expanse of grasses, but as European settlers arrived and established farms, the quagga's territory began to shrink. The introduction of fences disrupted their migration patterns, and they soon found themselves in conflict with livestock. Overhunting for their striking hides and loss of habitat ultimately led to the quagga's extinction in the late 19th century, marking the end of an extraordinary equine species. 3. Spix macaw. We now head to the vibrant rainforests of Brazil, which served as the native habitat of the Spix's macaw. However, habitat destruction due to deforestation for agriculture, logging, and urban development drastically altered the landscape. In addition to habitat loss, the illegal capture of Spix's macaws for the pet trade threatened their population. These vibrant birds, with their striking blue plumage, became highly sought after by collectors. This relentless capture in their native habitat further drove them toward extinction in the wild. Despite the best efforts of conservationists, the Spix's macaw is now considered extinct in its natural environment. This serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of species and their ecosystems, and the importance of preserving their habitats for future generations. 4. Steller's sea cow. Diving into the Bering Sea, we encounter Steller's sea cow, massive herbivores that thrived in the cool, kelp-rich waters. They grazed on the abundant kelp forests that stretched across the sea's depths. The habitat of Steller's sea cow was a marine paradise with an abundant supply of their favorite food. However, their immense size and slow reproductive rate made them vulnerable to overhunting. As humans discovered these gentle giants, they were hunted relentlessly for their meat and blubber. This exploitation, combined with their restricted habitat and low reproductive rates, pushed Steller's sea cow to extinction within 27 years of their discovery by Europeans. 5. Golden toad. In the cloud forests of Costa Rica, the golden toad was a magnificent sight. Their vibrant colors stood out amidst the lush, misty vegetation. These high-altitude cloud forests provided a unique and specialized habitat for these amphibians. The golden toad's habitat was characterized by constant moisture, cool temperatures, and an abundance of invertebrates for them to feed on. However, these delicate ecosystems were highly sensitive to environmental changes. As the Earth's climate began to shift, the cloud forests of Costa Rica underwent profound alterations. Rising temperatures and changes in moisture patterns disrupted the habitat that the golden toad had evolved to thrive in, ultimately leading to their extinction in the late 20th century. 6. Pyrenean ibex. Lastly, we venture to the rugged Pyrenean mountains, where the Pyrenean ibex, a subspecies of the Spanish ibex, once thrived. These challenging, high-altitude environments helped shape their physiology and behavior. However, human activities, including overhunting and habitat degradation, posed serious threats. The final known Pyrenean ibex passed away in 2000 due to injuries sustained from a fallen tree. This unfortunate event marked the end of a unique mountain-dwelling species and served as a somber reminder of the fragile balance between human activities and the natural world. And there you have it, the stories of 6 incredible animals that went extinct and how their unique habitats played a significant role in their disappearance. These tales remind us of the importance of preserving not just the species themselves, but the diverse and delicate ecosystems they call home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends to spread awareness about the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, it's up to us to be stewards of this remarkable world we call home.